but this is right up there because it's unexpected. So many years of sort of a talent that's unfulfilled, but this is special.
A week later, I'm back at the Yushan Sports Center. After 6 thrilling days of competition, Ronnie O'Sullivan and Thepchaiya Un-Nooh have reached the final, where they will battle it out for the championship title on March 22nd.
我比较喜欢奥沙利文、赵欣彤和丁俊晖，然后今天晚上可以看到火箭的一个表现吧，然后很激动。我觉得对于这个城市来说的话，是有很多的正面的影响，然后也会增加这个城市的这个世界的知名度。然后呢，能够在也算是自己家乡吧，上饶这边举行这个比赛的话，还是很自豪的。
好，我看到越来越多的观众来到我们玉山观看这个比赛，我感到非常的开心，也非常自豪，也非常欢迎大家来观看比赛。
In the final, Thepchaiya Un-Nooh defeated Ronnie O'Sullivan 10-7 to win the 2026 Snooker World Open title.
I would have loved to have won, but obviously I have to be realistic and just say, my performance and my cueing just wasn't as high a level as I know it has to be. That wasn't through lack of trying. I'm trying my hardest.
I never expect I'm gonna win the title, because the draw is really, really tough, and against Ronnie O'Sullivan in the final is always tough because I was lost to him before, and when I play with him, I felt nervous, and just today just so happy I beat myself here to win Ronnie O'Sullivan in the final. It's gonna be good memory in my whole life. It's what a nice dream and what a fantastic night for me.
Over 10 years and 7 editions, the tournament has witnessed Yushan transform from a small county into China's city of beers and a world-famous snooker destination. The 2026 Snooker World Open has officially come to a close. See you next year.